Okay, students, next we will see English grammar test. This is a simple one where they will give you paragraph and we need to fit in the right appropriate words. So the paragraph they have given us here, the warning against carbon emissions, which is dash, the earth became more urgent. The UN Human Development Report said on Tuesday that dash the global community agreed to dash emissions by half by 2050. The world would face huge economic setbacks and also ecological dash. We are on the dash of seeing human development for the first time in 30 years. The Kevin Watkins, the author of the report, was dash as saying the report said that the poor nations would be hit the dash as they are the least dash to the face nature's dash manifest in devastating storms and droughts. So as we read the paragraph, we understand that it is about carbon emissions, and because of that, there is something that consequences is leading to bad. So that is what the overall idea we get when we read the paragraph. So let us start with the blank one. The warning against carbon emissions, which is dash the earth, affecting, benefiting, ignoring, protecting. So here, as we get the context about the paragraph, the appropriate word would be affect, which is affecting the earth. Next, becoming became more urgent. The UN Human Development Report said on Tuesday that the dash global community agreed to. So here agreed to dash emissions. Here when the appropriate word given here is unless, because, without, notwithstanding. Notwithstanding is nothing but you can mention it as in spite of, okay, or despite. We can mention anything here when it comes to notwithstanding meaning means. So here the appropriate word would be the UN Health Development Report said on Tuesday that. What is the meaning of unless? Unless meaning is if not. Unless is nothing but if not. Okay. So unless the global community agreed to, if agreed to, agreed to enhance, diminish, cut, aggravate. Aggravate means to increase. So definitely we should not increase the emissions. Enhance is also a positive word. We should not use it. Here we have two words, diminishing and cut. Diminish and cut. So when we say diminish and cut, diminish also means decrease. Cut also means decrease. But here the appropriate word is cut. Agree to cut emissions. We don't say diminish emissions. We say cut emissions by half by 2050. The world would face huge economic setbacks and also ecological recovery, damage, growth, improvement. Improvement, growth, recovery, all are positive words. The only word that suits here is damage, ecological damage. So, I hope you all understood the context of the paragraph, right? So, due to carbon emissions, which is affecting the earth, became more urgent. So because of that, we need to reduce the global emissions by 2050, or else world will face economic setbacks and ecological damage. So the next one is we are on the dash of seeing human development. top extreme verge step. Top extreme, what does it mean? Verge is nothing but edge, edge of seeing something. So we are on the verge. Blank 5 is we are on the verge of seeing human development dash for the first time in 30 years. Dash development reverse for the first time. So far we are always in the progressive stage, or we are always nurturing better than, I mean, than past, but it looks like the whole thing is getting reverse just like in the past. So that is the reason here the appropriate word is reverse. Okay. So here we have six blanks given in this test paper. Usually we have five questions in grammar test. Each question carries 2 marks. So five questions carry 10 marks. Other questions, for now in this test paper we are not discussing. That's it in this paper. All the best.